Oh, yeah. Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Oh, whoa, that's really loud. So today we're just gonna be trying to beat my high score. Tomorrow, we're actually gonna try and do missions. So yeah, let's go ahead and just get started. So if you guys don't know, I'm in my house, my new house. Well, you guys should know because I just made a new video about it. I'm a little set up here. I actually got a bed. Right. If you guys don't really know what I'm talking about, you guys should actually watch my last video that I made. Called New House. Yeah. I'll be living here for a while. 3 years actually. Oh yeah. Guys, I might actually start dumpster diving and stuff. And it'll be really fun. Well, it probably doesn't sound like it, you're digging in the trash. But the thing is though, I'm not doing it in like random places because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be lots and lots of food. And that's not good. So I'm gonna try and go dumpster dive at like GameStop, which would be really fun to do because I actually saw some videos about it. Well, there's a YouTuber I like to watch that likes dumpster diving at GameStop. His name is Speedy Diver. Go check him out. He's pretty cool. And yeah. Soon I might start doing that because I want to find lots of games. I don't really have that many. And I died. I gotta do this. I need one of these. Oh. Carlos, what? Whoa! What is happening? What? I just jumped over it. That could have been a good time to use a hoverboard. I wasted 2 hoverboards. Oh yeah guys, I'm about to get my stuff back. Just have to wait about another week until I get like PS4 back and all my other stuff, computer and stuff. Yeah, I have to wait like a week, sit in the middle of nowhere. Well, at least I'm in a house. the heck? Oh, that is so not fair. Oh my gosh. I didn't even click on the video. Alright. Oh yeah, by the way guys, if you guys haven't seen my ID miner cheat, it actually works on this game. So if there's like an event going on, you can actually reset the time. I don't really know if it would work for like updates though. You know, like I'm in Havana right now. It's already ended. It's New York now apparently. I don't really know if you can do that. I will check it out and see if I can. And as soon as possible, I'll try and tell you guys. So yeah. Oh, what the heck? It just, what? It went backwards. Alright, so I think this will be it for the video. I'm gonna start saving up for this dude. I want him. That dude's $80,000. 150,000. Oh, that dude's 40. Oh yeah, sorry about that guys. I was just looking at the shop and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And Rubik's Cube Kid here, signing out.